the mesmerizing journey of glass marbles. Before smartphones, before screens, there was something magical in our hands. Small, colorful worlds called glass marbles. Each one simple outside, but inside a universe of swirling colors. But have you ever wondered how these tiny glass worlds are made? Behind every marble lies intense heat, precision, and a dance between fire and craftsmanship. It all begins with simple ingredients: silica, sand, soda ash, and limestone. Together, these ordinary materials hold the secret to extraordinary beauty. The mixture is heated to over 1400 degree Celsius. At this extreme temperature, solid becomes liquid and glass is born. But marbles are not just glass, they are art. Metal oxides are added to create vibrant colors, swirls, and mesmerizing patterns. The molten glass is stretched into long, glowing strands like threads of fire. These strands will soon become perfect spheres. The rods are cut into small, glowing pieces. Each piece is a future marble waiting to take shape. These pieces are rolled in spinning machines, and like magic, they transform into perfect spheres. Next comes cooling, a slow and controlled process. Too fast, and the glass could crack. Too slow, and production stops. Balance is everything. Finally, the marbles are polished until they shine like tiny planets, each one smooth, flawless, and unique. And just like that, from fire to factory to your hands, a simple marble becomes a story, a memory, a childhood. So, next time you hold a marble, look closer because inside it is not just glass but a journey through fire. So, that was all in this video. If you liked the journey, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comments below.